Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a very simple cauliflower recipe. It is very easy to make and absolutely delicious. You will love it. Let's get straight into the video. I have already cleaned my cauliflower and cut them into smaller sizes. I have a pot on the fire. I'll pour some cauliflower in there. Then some water and some salt to taste. Then I will cover it to steam for 2 to 3 minutes. It's boiling now and it's okay. It's 2 minutes already. The cauliflower is cooked. So I'll go ahead, get a sieve and drain the water. I have my pan on the fire. In there I added little vegetable oil, ginger and garlic paste, thyme and curry powder, then little onion to it. I will give it a stir. I'll be serving the steamed cauliflower with chicken and vegetable stir fry. So I have some chicken in the pan here. I'll go ahead and stir fry it. I'll give it a stir. Then cover to cook for a few minutes until the juice comes out from the chicken. Give it a stir and I will be adding a little water to cook the chicken till it is soft and tender. While the chicken is cooking, I'll be adding some vegetables into the pot. Add my sweet corn. This is fresh sweet corn. You can use canned corn if you like. This is green beans, washed and cleaned. Some salt to taste. Some seasoning powder. I will give it a gentle stir. Then cover to cook for 2 minutes. I'll be adding some carrots, some red pepper, and crushed chili pepper to make it a little bit spicy. Some onion and turmeric powder. I'll be adding some turmeric powder and I'll give it a stir. Stir to combine properly. And I'll cover to cook for a minute. I'll be adding some shredded purple cabbage. Then I'll add more onions to it. More onion. Stir to combine and let it steam for like 30 seconds. Sprinkle some spring onions for more color and flavor. This is an easy cauliflower recipe served with chicken and veggie sauce or chicken and veggie stir fried. Do you like my recipes? Please subscribe to my channel. If you love cooking, stay tuned to this channel. I have loads of amazing food recipes coming your way. Thank you all for watching. Please share and like my videos. Thank you to my returning subscribers and thank you to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. I love you all. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Give this recipe a trial and let me know the outcome in the comment section. If you are a cauliflower lover, I think you should try this recipe. It's absolutely delicious.